Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm here with my tips again. I'm not exactly a chocolate person, yeah, but I make the meanest chocolate cakes, yes. If you ever tried my chocolate cake, please give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, so today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips on how to make the perfect chocolate cake every single time. So number 1, which is the most important, don't go cheap on the cocoa powder. Please don't be cheap. Like, the quality of your cocoa powder is going to determine the quality or how your cake tastes, basically, because the chocolate is the key. So make sure you don't go cheap on that. Number 2, measure properly. If you don't know how to measure, like, check Google and watch videos on how to measure. You want to make sure your measuring cups or measuring containers are leveled. That way you get the perfect chocolate cake depending on what recipe you are following. So remember to measure properly. So number 4, this is a tip I like to give most new bakers. What you want to do, if you're baking a chocolate cake and it calls for milk, make sure the milk is hot. Just put it in the microwave, or you can boil it in a pot. Make sure the milk is hot. It makes a difference in your cake, basically. Number 5, don't overmix. Once you've added your milk and you've added all of your wet and dry ingredients together, you just want to mix until it is combined together. You don't want to overmix, otherwise your chocolate cake will become tough and you want it to be crumbly and yummy. You get? Okay. Okay, so number 5, which is a very important tip, you want to bake slowly. Yes, give it time. Stop opening the oven every 5 minutes, at least at 170 degrees centigrade, and let it bake. Let it bake slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Patience is key for the perfect chocolate cake. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos like this, make sure to follow me on Instagram as _cake_me_away, and give me a thumbs up on this video, as well as subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys, and I hope you loved this video and it was useful to you. So I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.